I am actually excited because this is the first time I get to have my hands on 992 Carrera, the latest generation 911. It's not the newest thing out there in the world, but for me it is. So I'm like, yeah, excited. So let's give it a try. It is stock now. And we got P gear here, so we kind of get a rough estimation, or not even a good gauge of how quick this car actually is. So we're going to do a 0 to 100 without launch control or anything. We don't want to stress the car too much. And then we tune it, and then we have a proper comparison as to, yeah, how much faster it is. I'm expecting 50 horses and 100 Newton meters more, at least. So let's see how it translates into speed. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to use this nifty little thing here plus the phone app to actually start a very accurate measurement of how quick this car actually is 0 to 100 as set without launch control. So Josh, I need you to put down that camera and take this camera. Are you ready?
Proceed to test.
Okay, let's go. And just floor it, no launch control.
50.
What did it say? 0 to 100?
4.63 seconds.
Okay. That is without actually doing launch control or, you know, reaping the full benefit of all-wheel drive. This allows for a fair comparison because, you know, when you do launches, they're never the same. It's always a little bit of divergence. Depends on how warm it is, what the tarmac is like, the tires are warm even, or even my reaction. So to be very fair, we will do a simple comparison. Later on, we compare 50 to 100. All right, here we go. So now we're flashing the file that I made. So what we're gonna do now is, after the file has been flashed, we're gonna go on another spin and give it 3-4 full pulls for the ECU to adapt into the values and to unfold more of its potential. Usually we need a little more, but we don't have the time. So, and then we'll do another run to compare. What can we expect? 450 horsepower stock, 530, 540 after. So now we did 4 point, what was it, Josh? 4 point, you know what, let's take a look what it was. It was 4.63 seconds, 0 to 100 without launch control. So let's see what's gonna happen after. The thing that we always say about Porsche 911s is basically the only car you can drive out of the garage, go to the racetrack, and the next day you drive to work. That's what you can do with a 911. Not many cars can do that. Hey, smoking is not good for your health, you know?
I know.
Good. I know. Couldn't care less. Okay. Wait, it has a sport switch, so I drive mode, I go to sport, then I go to sport plus. Oh shit! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There's nothing better than boost.
You lost a bit traction a little bit there.
No. That's all-wheel drive. It's just your brain hitting the back of your head. It is pretty damn quick. Whip out the app again. Okay, here we are. So P gear here. Give me coverage. It does. Okay.
GPS signal. System checked okay.
And go.
Proceed to test.
Is there a significant change? Yeah, I know.
Did you not just feel your balls retracting?
Yeah.
There you go. What a question.
Dude, that was crazy, yo.
I have no words for this. I have no other words than I like it. Well, there you have it, guys. Joshua and I, we had a lot of fun. We all had a lot of fun. I hope you did too. We made a fast car a lot faster, I think. I actually, for my feeling, I think it pretty much outdoes 997 Turbo. But let's see what the owner says. Make sure to follow us on our social media and stay tuned.